Hi and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to feature the book Basketball Break. I'm going to be modeling on the Words for Life Vocabulary 84 Full on the LAMP app that you can get on an iPad. This book is one that's included in my sports-themed language packet and book companion on Teachers Pay Teachers. I believe it's $1.50 for it. There are 4 different sports-related books. So I have a couple of boys this year who are really into the sports. And so I've been trying to find some books that I can teach some lower vocabulary with, which has proven to be challenging. But Sports Illustrated Kids has come out with some of these starting line reader books, and they are great for core words and just simple vocabulary and teaching simple concepts related to the sports and everything. So absolutely love these books. This one is by C.C. Joven. The word that I'm going to target the most in it is like. And we'll go ahead and get started. So again, the story is called Basketball Break. All right. This is Lucas. And Lucas likes basketball. Do you like basketball? Yeah? He likes to dribble or bounce the ball, right? And he likes to shoot the ball. He shoots all of the time. Mm-hmm. Do you think he's going to make it? Lucas is far from the basket. He does not pass. That means he's not sharing it and giving it to other players. Instead, Lucas shoots the ball. His friend is open. But Lucas does not pass. What does he do? He shoots. Do you think he will make it? Lucas cannot see the basket. See, he's looking down. And his eyes are closed. But he does not pass. Lucas shoots. Up. And look, it hit the rim and it's going to bounce off. So he does not make a basket. His coach is not happy. Look at his coach's face. How do you think the coach feels? He looks like he feels mad or angry to me. I wonder why. Maybe because he's not being a good teammate. His team is not happy. They look like they are angry too. Lucas, he takes a break. He's going to take a break. And during that break, Lucas watches. His friends, look at them. They pass the ball. They're sharing. They're being good teammates. Lucas, he's going to go back in to play Some more. Lucas, he passes the ball. And look, his teammate looks like he's happy that he passed the ball and is being a good teammate. His team scores. Look at that. They made a basket. So they get a point.
Yes.
The team
Happy.
is happy. Look at those smiles. That means that they feel happy. And the coach is smiling too.
Happy.
He is happy. Lucas is smiling.
Happy.
And he is happy. Lucas really likes basketball. The end.
Finished.
We're finished. So, yeah, this is a great book to target the word like. And as you can see through the modeling, we target emotions. Sportsmanship, we talked a little bit about. I went a little more in depth with that with the group that I did this with. Especially if your school does a PBIS reward system and everything for behavior. It's really great to talk about sportsmanship and what that means and everything. And this book really breaks it down into a very simple format for our younger kiddos. There's some other books, as you can see on back. It looks like Soccer Score, Baseball Buzz, Gymnastics Jump. So I can't wait to see what some of those books look like once I order them and everything. But this is a great short, small sports book to target some easy concepts, vocabulary terms, emotions and feelings, and all that good stuff. You can get this in my sports language and book companion packet on Teachers Pay Teachers. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on Instagram and Teachers Pay Teachers at Speech Without Limits. Thanks for watching.